My name is Chanel.
I am Brianna.
My name is Janesse, and I'm a proud
West Coast University graduate. I'm very excited. I've been wanting this moment for a very long time, and I'm very happy to have my family here to celebrate with me.
The journey hasn't been easy, but I definitely had a great support system along the way. Every time I always fell down, my parents were always there to encourage me and to let me know to continue what I envisioned for myself and for my growing family as well. It still feels so surreal that I'm able to share this moment with them.
As soon as I started West Coast, I knew I was in the right place. It's just a community and everyone just wants you to succeed.
I'm very grateful for West Coast, and I feel like the class to professor ratio was something that no other school offered. Like, I feel ready once I graduate and I leave that I can go out into the field and be prepared to do anything. Take every moment in, enjoy it. Nursing school is gonna throw things at you, but life too, and if you push through, and you can do anything.